we got to the hard part. So until now it was easy, but now it's going to get harder, because I need to connect to all these social media APIs, and they all use OAuth 2, and it's pretty difficult to connect to them. Difficult like anything that you haven't done before. After you've done it once, it's easy, but currently I'm trying to figure out how to connect more easily to it. I've created an app on LinkedIn, on Twitter, but only on LinkedIn until now. I managed to make programmatically a post. Here is the code I created for that. So in the OAuth 2 world, you need a client ID, a client secret, and a access token. And this access token, it's available for a set period of time. On LinkedIn it's 2 months, so it's not that great that I need to log in every 2 months in this social media app. It's not a thing that you can set and forget, so this is I don't like that, but it is what it is. We need their API in order to post things, so I can get around that. Not sure how I would get around that. Maybe through a a headless browser, but things are tricky there, and you'll get flagged as a bot, and that's not good at all. And this is the recommended way and the more future-proof way of doing it. And of course, even with a headless browser, at some time you have that token in the browser, the authentication token, that expires after some time, and you need to log in again. That's of course to keep things secure, to keep your account secure, and nothing against it. It will be a pain if you lose your account, and that's not good. Yeah, and this is the code for the LinkedIn post that I've created. Currently, LinkedIn has a way of creating this access token manually. So you log in on that app, on LinkedIn app, click on generate access token, and it will give you a token for 2 months. But on X, you don't have this option. So you need to go through that authentication flow. When you click on login, and you are redirected to a page of X or LinkedIn, and then you'll get access to it. So I need to normalize this stuff, so it could be the same thing on every platform. Client ID, client secret, and the access token that's needed when we do OAuth 2 authentication. And here just some simple requests to get first the user info. Here from this user info we'll get we need just the user ID, which is called here SOB, but we'll call it as they do. This person user ID, because we need to post for this person, so that's why we need that. And he's the owner, blah blah, user generated content, just a payload for LinkedIn. Here we upload if the post has a file, like an image or video. Here is just for the image. Not sure if maybe I think I could add also the video part. I just need to change this upload image to upload video and call it when necessary, of course. And here register upload, and we'll get an asset object which will return from this function. And here is the actual post function, which will receive a post text and an image text. And we just fill here the required information, like the post text, which will go here, the image path, if that's present. We need to specify the share media category, basic stuff from LinkedIn. And here the media, if that's present. If we have an image path, then we'll upload that image and modify the payload we had above, because the basic post is just a text, and if we need to add more, we can fill it later. And then we do a post request to LinkedIn API and create from that response the URL of that post, so you can save it in the database and see it later. Since then I've created, of course, that. Need to think more on how to make it more user friendly, so not that many steps would be required for that. I've created also some documentation on how to get those client ID and client secrets more stacked, simple documentation, let's say. Not sure how what's the word. I've changed this page from settings to bulk operations, because here we create data, we manage data in this page. So I was thinking that bulk operations, or maybe data operations, I don't know, not sure a proper name for this page, so that when you see it, you know what it does. And I've started creating, of course, the integrations page, on which the user can add those secrets. Yeah, client ID, client secret, auth token, not sure, maybe just client ID and client secret, and then a button that will handle that request to get the auth token or access token, whatever it's called. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I got to the hard part. This was the easy part. It's something that it's pretty usual, some data operation stuff and saving data, getting data in some way. And here on the integrations part, I would need to figure out how to make it easy for me, of course, and for whoever wants to use this application. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Maybe I would be able to finish this quickly, but yeah, we'll see.